Good morning and welcome to the second test. It is again windy, but not so windy as it was yesterday. So I took the prop guards off also to save a bit on the weight. The quad is fine from the crashes that happened to it yesterday. It also fell in a puddle of water, but it wasn't affected. So let's see if today we can get some images and better experience. Okay, let's turn on the recording. Camera is recording, and also the DVR recording. I'm going to select high rate mode just to be sure. And it flies a lot more better. It's still windy, it still fights the wind, but it's completely controllable. And I'm going to fly it upwind in case I want to return it back. It will be easier to fly it backwards. You can also see here that you can fly it freely. The screen is bright enough. And there it goes. You can see how fast. This is the wind taking it. I'm gonna turn around, fight the wind again. Gonna take it a bit down. Okay, the wind is increasing. Now it's fighting the wind and it stays on the same spot. I'm gonna try to recover it. I'm not going to land very close to me with this wind. Okay. Let's turn off the recording properly to save the files. All's okay. So I'm going to turn it off now and try again maybe later if there is less wind, but we did get some nice footage, so we'll see how that looks. Bye bye.